I had to get this as a birthday present. The Sony A7 IV. I joined the Sony club. This camera costs a lot of money, so I will have to be very careful when I start this unboxing. Ooh, First thing out of the box is this. I have no idea what this is. USB cable. Definitely gonna need that. Second thing out of the box. Pop, 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 pop. And here is the grand finale. This here is the grand, the Sony A7 IV. Oh, there it is. Wow. When you buy the Sony A7 IV, make sure to buy a memory card because it does not come with a memory card. This is the one that I got. Without a memory card, you cannot save your pictures, you cannot save your videos. Before you go, I created another video that showed what was in my camera bag. So if you want to see the camera that I had before I bought the Sony A7 IV, then you could check out this video. Click here and watch that video. I'll see you later.